Yeah. Okay, so this has gone bad. I gotta rebuild this entire shaft, but I got a guy in Monrovia who's gonna do it for me, and I can save $100 by not bringing the car to him, but instead just bringing the drive shaft. So let's do it. Get shit done. Tom, I need your help. I need shuttle service.
Okay.
Handbrake?
Yeah. Thank you.
This seal right here, water got in there, and there's a bunch of needle bearings, and they need to be greased up. This seal is totally shot.
So this is old.
Yeah, it's just super old. Yeah, it's all orange right here, orange down there.
All right, mission complete. Thanks, Tom.
233.20.
Okay.
That's it right here.
Oh, this is it? Oh, you guys painted it too.
Yeah.
All right, let's install this bad boy. Looks fine. Nothing out of the ordinary. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's take a listen.